Welcome guys, welcome to Shuko's World. We're in Lancaster Station and I'm going to show you Hyde Park in a few minutes. I hope you enjoy this vlog and I hope you're having a lovely day. So let's get into the video. Let's go. Guess who is this, guys? Put your comments below, or maybe now. Okay, comment guys. And it is Peter Pan, if you got that right, so thumbs up to you. I think they want food.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. We don't have anything.
I don't have anything. We don't have anything.
Me too. pretty is this, guys? Wow. I love this. All the birds. I love it. They're all together. It's like a big family. There's a big family. So pretty. And ooh, more and more. Wow. Coming up close to all the birds. She's going to feed them, guys. Everybody, all the birds are here. Okay, let's go. Everybody, let's go. You can eat that all by yourself. Look at this guy eating all the bread. Okay, you're gonna share? They're so pretty. Yeah. Aww. Okay, we're gonna be following. What? Oh, look at this one, the black and white one. Wow. More of it. Guys, look at these guys. Okay, that's so weird, but anyways, so pretty, beautiful swans. I don't have any food, so she has the food. Yeah, that side. Off you go, guys, off you go. Guys, so now we're right next to the Lido. Yeah, people swim here all summer, but now because it's a bit chilly, they're not allowed to swim. I think it's between August all the way to September. I'm not so sure, but it said something there. But you're not allowed to swim now unless you're told so. Yeah. And I've been here before with my family about 10 years ago or 8 years ago. I came to not swim, but I came like to ride the boats the other side. So I'm going to show you that area too in a few minutes. Yeah, let's go. So I'm at the end of Hyde Park. I just finished walking like around, so I'm just gonna like walk back the other side, and on my way through I'm going to show you the boats. So the blue boats and the white and dark blue boats, they are just right in front of me, so I will show you that in a few minutes. But yeah, this has been absolutely beautiful. I'm not walking too fast, I'm walking slow, so I think a whole day will be nice to stay here and look around. There's a pond the other side as well, so it'll be nice to come back and see that, especially in summer. Not now, but summertime. Yeah, so let's continue. Look at this swan fetching some food. Okay, out. Are you gonna go back in? It's so funny. And out. So that's the boat house, guys. We're just gonna pass through. Okay, so if you want to go on a boat, those are the prices. Very interesting. More boats, guys. So those are the paddling boats you can go on. So many of them. Yeah. Alright guys, we're going to the end, the other side, on a bridge. You can find it again. Guys, look. There's a horse. No, 2 horses. Oh. They're going that way. And 2 people riding the boat. Oh, paddling the boats. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'm on the bridge now. As you can see, I've come back all the way around. So now I'm off. I'm going home. Thank you for joining me in this journey, this little adventure. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video.